Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living live session. Unfortunately, today morning we were not able to come live, so I thought let me do a live session today with end of day data, and maybe we can get some insight into tomorrow's trading session. So today this is the Nifty chart that we are seeing here. You can see Nifty. I am today in a 30 minutes chart because intraday movement, whatever intraday movement that we have had today has no impact on tomorrow's movement. So if at all any movement that we need to discuss for tomorrow, then we need to watch on a higher time scale, not definitely on the intraday time scale, which is 15 minutes. So today I have taken the time scale higher than 15 minutes time scale, which is 30 minutes time scale, and this is what we call as ET and ET time period, which means enter today, exit tomorrow. People also call this as BTST, buy today, sell tomorrow, or STBT, sell today and buy tomorrow. We have coined this term as ETET, which means enter today, exit tomorrow. So if you had any positions or if you have any setup that is made today, either you would have taken the position today, or you can, based on today's closing setup, you can enter into the positions tomorrow. So based on those things, I have included the 30 minutes session today. This is the Nifty chart. You can see Nifty has opened lower and it has, for a couple of candles, it moved higher, then again it lost momentum, came down with little, not much of force, and closed almost flat. Today's market has been extremely fat, and we couldn't get to see much movement in today's chart. So this is the Nifty chart that we are seeing. And now the Bank Nifty, again similar to the Nifty chart, opens lower, goes higher in couple of candles, comes down rest of the day, and in the final there is a small closing which is a green candle on the higher side. But overall I would say both Nifty and Bank Nifty have been exceedingly having a very narrow sideways movement today. The larger part of the day has been in the sideways movement. So keep this in mind for tomorrow's session. As of now, there is no buy or sell setup emerging in both Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. So tomorrow, based on the opening levels, if any setup emerges either for the buy side or on the sell side, I will definitely update you people so that you can trade accordingly. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty. We will quickly go through some of the banking stocks and see if any setup is available for us to trade for tomorrow in the banking stocks. Last week we have had a bank policy. After that too, there is not much movement on the Bank Nifty chart. It has stayed higher, and for the last 4 sessions, if you see, it has been just around the higher session. The trend which had emerged late September has been still continuing, but there is no reversal in spite of the bank policy, and Bank Nifty almost trading near the 43,800 zone, which is almost 44,000. So this is the setup with Bank Nifty. You can quickly go through some of the banking stocks. Banking stocks, there is a sell setup for tomorrow. If you see a high breakout of 944, there is a sell setup, and if you see 927, there is a sell setup in Bank Nifty. In Axis Bank. Axis Bank in the sell mode at 944, in the sell mode at 927. Today's closing has been at 938. Tomorrow, if you see any of these two levels, either 944 or 927, you can go short in Axis Bank. Bajaj Finserv, was a sell around 1602. So today it opens at 16 below 1602 and goes higher, and towards the end of the day closes just about the sell level of 1602. This is the setup for Bajaj Finserv. Sell at 1602. Bajaj Finance, if there is a pullback, there is a sell. Bandhan Bank can be sold below 246. If you see 246, you can go ahead and sell the 246.5 candle. Bandhan Bank is currently in an uptrend, but there is a early reversal setup that is being emerging in Bandhan Bank at 246. Bank of Baroda, sell signal established at 186. Canara Bank, there is no setup. Canfin Homes, nothing much happening in Canfin Homes. Chola Finance, nothing much. Federal Bank, again sell at 132 or sell at 138. Fin Nifty, nothing much. HDFC is in a in-range pattern, not moving much. You can safely ignore. You can see larger part of the HDFC's movement has been in the sideways. Today there have been a couple of up candles, but after that again it loses momentum, and again there is no much movement today in HDFC also. This is the chart of HDFC AMC, very narrow and sideways movement. This is the setup in HDFC Bank, selling available at 1628. So if you are looking for sell signals, there are some sell signals emerging in HDFC Bank also at 1628. Please note down, if you want to trade tomorrow, please note down these levels. There is a sell available at 1628. This is HDFC Life, buy at 573. It is already in the buy mode. You can see here there was a buy mode at 574.5. In the opening itself, Nifty touches, HDFC Life touches that level and goes up and closes at 579. Maybe some more buying might emerge. It is currently in a downtrend, and this might be a reversal in HDFC Life. After a long prolonged downtrend, there has been a buy signal in HDFC Life. We'll quickly go through ICICI Bank. No setup in ICICI Bank. Kotak Bank, maybe buy from the downward signal, maybe some kind of trend reversal happening in Kotak Bank at 1878. If you see 1878 tomorrow, it is closed towards the lows. If you see again 1878 levels, go ahead and buy this stock. There is a reversal setup emerging in Kotak Bank. We'll quickly go through the SBI. SBI chart also looks little weaker. Sell at 617 and again sell at 610. If you see 617, you can sell. If you see 610, continue to sell at these two levels in SBI. IndusInd Bank, no setup. So this is with respect to some of the banking stocks. Overall, Nifty and Bank Nifty has been in sideways movement today. All day has been almost without much trend, but then tomorrow there might be some kind of a tradable setup either on the long side or on the short side. Be prepared for that. Already some of the stocks have shown some sell signals, so beware of those levels, and if you really want to trade on the short side for those stocks which we saw recently. Now we will see how the day goes tomorrow morning. We will be live by 9:30. Catch you all. Happy trading. If you are liking the content, subscribe to the channel Banao Bharat. We will again meet tomorrow morning. Until then, Om Swasti.